Welcome back, everybody, to Ottoman Asia, Mexico style. All right, this here video I'm doing here is going to be of all the Airbnbs and or booking.coms that I used when I was down in southern Mexico. I was down there for just a little over 4 months, and I'm not going to go through and say, hey, there was the water and there's the kitchen and I'm just going to do some off-the-wall commentary, whatever. Tell you a little bit about it though. But this place is about a half a mile from the beach. It's kind of far from the beach, on the other side of Highway 200, but yeah, it probably doesn't mean anything. But yeah, it was uphill to the beach both ways, man. And it was very hot. I was there in the summer months, but it was a nice place. I enjoyed it. Yeah. Now I want to tell you before we get into some of the other videos that when I first get to an Airbnb, I generally don't. First thing in my mind is whip out my camera and let's get photos and videos of this place when it's all nice and brand new and beautiful looking. I end up, I'm hot, I'm tired, I want to take a shower, I want to unpack my stuff, get something to eat. So it might be a day 2 or 3 before I actually do the video. And okay, now here's the second place that we're going to be at. So like it could be a little bit messy, so you're going to see what you really see. Now this was a Casa Daiquiri. I spent an entire month there. It was a really, really nice place. I enjoyed it. It did cost me $26 a night. But here's what happened. In that month, it went up twice the price. And I did some research, and a lot of the other places in that area was up in their prices. And I talked to a lot of managers and owners, and what they were saying is high season never stopped. People are still there. It didn't slow down. The waves kind of went down for a little bit, but they came back up, and so did the surfers, such as the surfer's life. And so they, of course, supply and demand, and hey, let's jack up the prices. So yeah, when they told me, if I wanted to spend another 2 weeks there, it would be $52 a night, I said, sorry, I love you guys, but I'm out of here. Like that baño there, which was too bad. The place was really, really nice, and I could have enjoyed it there, but oh well. Oh, yeah. Lovely pool. It was nice. It looks very shallow, but it's not. It's about 5 feet deep in. And here I got a little surprise for you. Hang on. And there's Carrie, our lovely host. Say hi, Carrie. Yeah, she was very accommodating, very nice lady. And yeah, that was Casa Daiquiri. Nice little view there. And now we're going to go to the last place I stayed at in Puerto Escondido, Casa Landa. This was like in the middle of the beach area there. It was like the residential area. It was very quiet, very beautiful. You'd have to walk a ways to get to a store or something. Not really that far, but not like up in the north part of the beach, as you could tell, where everything's there. But yeah, this was very nice. These people are so nice. They gave me a ride to the store, and we had barbecues, and they invited me out to dinner. Or actually, it was lunch. Beautiful backyard, and 3 really lovely dogs. And yeah, I spent 3 weeks there, and it was nice. Yeah, and there was a refreshing pool, let me tell you. Yeah, you hear them birds. They were just crazy. Yeah, that was very refreshing pool after you do 7-8 miles walking around getting content. Hey buddy, how you doing? I'll lick your camera for a doggy biscuit. And here's a kitchen. Only 2 of us used this kitchen, so I had plenty of room. The guy was hardly ever there. I think he was like a construction foreman, and he was hardly ever there. Oh, here's my dorm. I mean my Airbnb. Yeah. This was a nice place. It wasn't all that big, but it had, you know, everything that you need. There's a toilet, there's a shower. It had some great hot water, and it was $18.42 a day, 3 weeks there, and I had a great time. Let's move over to up in the mountain. Oaxaca City, almost a mile up in the mountains, and if there's any place that I would want to live in Mexico, I think it would have to be Oaxaca City. It was just absolutely fantastic. It was about 200,000 people. Anyways, this is Lety's place. She was a really, really nice lady. Got off on the wrong foot, but that was just it happens. It was a kitchen issue. She cooks professionally in her kitchen, so she's kind of like, she didn't want anybody in there, and like, then why didn't you say that you had a kitchen that we could use? Well, she showed us what we had that we could use, so I mean, it worked out. Here's the back part. Now these are 2 small rooms, and they're not $16.05 a day. Upstairs where my room was at, these were like about $11 or $12. But this is where I met my buddy Steve-O, an old Navy guy too, that actually he was there. He went back to LA and then came back for Day of the Dead. So check out his video there on his channel, just passing through. There's where we sat many mornings and spun a yarn. If you don't know what spinning the yarn means, it means we was bullshitting and telling lies, Navy lies, seeing what lies we knew each other. Here's my other dorm room. I'm not sure if this was an Airbnb or a booking, but one of the 2. And this was right before laundry day. Yeah. Oaxaca City, like I said, it was great. It was 200,000 people. Oh, I got a lot of dental work there. I got 5 weeks. Every week I was going to the dentist, like at least, twice a week. And ended up saving a ton of money. Okay, now this is Ari's place. I spent 3 weeks here, and it's really crazy. This place used to be, this was the house that she grew up in, and her mom and dad, about 5 years ago, they renovated it and made it into a Airbnb, and it had like 5 rooms, and I just can't picture how it was actually at one time a house, but it was nice. Some great people there at Ari's place that I met. Like I said, there was 5 rooms, and everybody was nice. Even the Japanese gal, if you know, you know. We spent a lot of time in the kitchen, just talking and just like learning, and it was so much fun there with the people. Great people. And what else? Well, yeah, that was $13.50 a day, so it wasn't too bad. It was definitely in my my realm of being happy. Let's go over to Cancun. Hey, let's not. Okay, I'm trying to be nice. I really liked this room. It was a nice room. I spent 1 week in Cancun. I couldn't get out of there quick enough, but I did make a video called Cancun versus Cancun, and I was about 5 miles away from where most people that go to Cancun are going to be out there in the hotel zone, out on a little strip of sand, and with the big hotels, and that's just not me. I know a lot of people love to do it. 4-star hotels and the restaurant downstairs, and then the little sandbox of a beach. I know, be nice. But that's just the way I see it. I mean, it wasn't all that exciting, but I guess it's really just the name. Oh yeah, we were down in Cancun for a whole 2 weeks, and whatever. But I actually do got to say that the west coast of southern Mexico, from what I've experienced, was so much better than the east coast. But yeah. Now, where are we at here? This
away.
Here we go.
Oh, it's so much cooler here.
It was.
I always got that. And
I'm talking to myself.
Number one here. Thought I'd get this video before I make the place a mess. Unpack all my stuff. But hey, there's the bed. It's like, I don't know, I guess like a double. And this is the couch. And a nice table with 2 chairs. Okay. And this is a kitchenette, refrigerator, microwave, and a little 2-burner stove. And a nightstand. I wonder if there's a Gideon's Bible in there. Huh? Any Gideon's Bible? I would have been really surprised if there was. I'd be like, oh, that would have been awesome. And then supplies, put your stuff, place to hang the stuff, and cool stuff in the corner here. And the banyo, drop the banyo banana. And your shower, let's hope it has hot water. That's from this angle. Just like the photos on Airbnb. That gives a 2 thumbs up, but I'm holding the camera with the other hand, so, well, here, the other thumbs up.
Okay, this is in Tulum, down the beach,
Yeah, I'm
a couple
here
of
at
miles.
Hotel Posada. A whole bunch of rooms down there also, but I'm upstairs. You come up upstairs here, and there's this little, I'll show you. There's a little bridge that you gotta walk across to get to my room. Okay, we come into the room, and I was really surprised. Okay, there's the bed, and I closed some of these drapes. It was like, whoa, lots of windows in here. Nice big old flat screen and a nice table. There is 2 chairs, but I grabbed one for the other room. And then here we've got the kitchen, the sink, and all that. All the good stuff's up there, and pots and pans. And I gotta get some coffee filters. Ooh, that's got one of those filterless filters. Hey, nice stove and oven. And when you ask your wife, are you gonna cook tonight? And she'll say, maybe. Yeah, I see what I did there. And nice refrigerator, freezer. Okay, yeah, well, that's not the bed that I'm gonna sleep in. I did not know we had 2 rooms in this place when I rented it, but here we go. Yeah, bathroom, it's hot in there because it's got a stupid window that's open, but yeah, it's got a flushy and blah, blah, blah. And then in here, we got a nice table, that's where I want to work at, because that is right there. So that's where I'm going to work at, right there. And got one of those size beds. I don't know, double, I guess. And lots of spots to put your stuff. So that's about all my stuff right there. You know how much stuff that is? Too much stuff. Balcony. I'm not going to go out there, it's hot, but you can see there's the street that we're on. And yeah, pretty nice neighborhood. Everything's like walking distance. I'm a half a block off of the avenue. And there's the other chair that I commandeered. But yeah, I got to ride my bike down later on to the Chedraui and fill up the old Frigidator. I'll be here for a while. And that's the place. And I did splurge. This is my last week and a half here in southern Mexico. So I will tell you, it ran me about 30 bucks a night, which I'm usually doing about 20 bucks a night.
Okay, now this is the segment that you all click off and yeah, whatever. But hey, if you're still here, you guys are special to me. Have a great day and thank you.